Today we're going to be looking just at the commas with dates bubble on NoRedInk. So I've got the lesson pulled up here, so you can always read through this whenever you like on NoRedInk. But I'm going to kind of go through this and then we'll go through a few problems together. So the first thing I want to tell you guys is normally when there are two pieces of information, whether that be this first example where we have the month and the day, or it could be the month and the year, or it could even be the season and the year, like spring 2020, you do not put a comma between those two pieces of information. We want to keep them joined together. So if there are two pieces of information, we don't want to use a comma. So you can see that in that first example here. Now, once we add that third piece of information, we have to start wondering where exactly do we want to put that comma. And again, we don't want to separate the month and the day ever. So what we do is we put it in between the day and the year. Because we're going to have lots of April 4ths, we want to leave those joined together, but we're only having the one in 2014. So we're going to separate those like this. Any questions on that, make sure you reach out to me. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and start doing a couple practice problems. So here, ever since Peter Pettigrew ordered his paper airplane kit on February 1st, he has checked the mail every day. Now, when we focus hyper in on the date, the information we have is the month, February, and the day, which is the 1st. So, as I mentioned, when we have two pieces of information, we don't want to separate them with a comma. So we want to make this one go away. Since this one's an introductory phrase, we do want to leave this comma after the 1st. Zazu's parrot costume should arrive by October 30th, 2019. So when we break down our date, we have the month, October, the day 30, and the year 2019. We never separate the month and the day. They're best friends. We want to keep them next to each other. But since we have three pieces of information, we want to put it in between the day and the year. Here, on November 1st, Mufasa decided, again, two pieces of information, remove the comma, another introductory phrase, so we leave that comma after the one. Now on this one, you can see it says, on October 2nd, 2013, Professor Moody tried Doritos for the first time. We have three pieces of information. They've already got their comma in the correct place, and it's an introductory clause, so we do have that comma there. So this one we don't have to do anything with, so we just hit Submit Answer. I hope this has been helpful for you when it comes to looking at commas with dates. As always, reach out if you need any more additional help.